we divide this 73 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 3 and it is 23. So 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 3. So now there is no other number to put down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 73 divided by 5 is 14.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.